In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Metamask wallet to your Binance account. This process involves transferring cryptocurrency from your Metamask to Binance, which allows you to trade or manage your assets on the Binance platform. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the wallet section located at the top of the page. Here, you will see various options related to your account balance and transactions. Click on the Deposit Crypto option to start the process. After selecting Deposit Crypto, you will need to choose the specific coin you want to deposit. Ensure that the coin you select is compatible with Metamask. Once you've chosen the coin, the next step is to select the network. This is crucial, as using the wrong network can lead to loss of funds. After making your selections, copy the deposit address that is displayed on the screen. This address is essential for transferring your funds, so keep it ready for the next step. Now, open your Metamask wallet. You can do this by launching the Metamask extension in your browser or opening the Metamask app on your mobile device. Once you are in Metamask, select the token you wish to send to Binance. It is important to ensure that this token corresponds with the coin you selected on Binance. After selecting the token, click on the Send button to initiate the transfer. In the Send interface, you will need to paste the Binance deposit address that you copied earlier. Make sure to double check the address for accuracy, as sending funds to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. After pasting the address, carefully select the correct network that matches the selection made on Binance. This step cannot be overlooked as it ensures the successful transfer of your funds. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Once you've confirmed the amount, you may need to approve the network fee for the transaction. This fee varies based on network congestion and can affect the speed of your transaction. After confirming the transaction, wait for the blockchain to process it. This may take a few moments depending on network conditions. Once the transaction is confirmed, check your Binance wallet to see if the funds have been received. It is advisable to refresh your Binance wallet to update the balance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.